In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand from Amazon USA to Amazon Australia. I'm Josh Hackett. Let's dive in. So first, you're going to go to the Sell Globally tab and ensure you're a professional seller. So what you can do is just go to Inventory, Sell Globally. This is the Sell Globally tab. You're going to click on Asia Pacific. You're going to scroll down to Australia and click Create an Australia Selling Account. Now they're going to ask you for basic things like your name, passport, bank account statement, credit card. Just make sure everything matches. So if you submit your credit card and it doesn't have the same exact name as your passport, that's an issue. Just make sure everything matches and you'll be approved in seconds. And then once you're approved, it's going to look just like this. You're going to go back to the Asia Pacific and it's going to have a nice little green check right next to Australia. So you can switch to Australia and start shipping products into Australia. Just go to the drop down and then you should see Australia right here, and then change the marketplace to Australia. Once you're in Australia, it's gonna look like this, and it's literally gonna say Australia right next to it. Make sure that there's no errors on the account at all. Like making sure that you attach your bank account and your credit card. You might have to reattach it. And it's okay to use your US bank account because Amazon automatically converts the funds into US dollars and then sends it over to you. Next is going to go to your Manage Inventory and then start creating your inventory. What you're going to do is you're simply going to click on Add Products. You're going to add products and you're going to add the same exact ASIN, the same exact UPC, and the same exact SKU from your Amazon USA listings. What that's going to do is it's going to transfer the reviews over. So you don't want to create a new listing from scratch. You want to use the same exact listing that was created in Amazon USA. And since you're still selling on Amazon, it's all connected. So it'll show up and it'll have reviews. So if you have 1,000 reviews in Amazon USA, all you have to do is just click Add Products, make sure it has the same ASIN, the same SKU, and then it should automatically transfer those reviews over within 24 hours. Sometimes if your ASIN doesn't show up, then you would utilize your UPC code. But that's pretty much going to be the next step, and then convert it to Amazon FBA. Once it's created, make sure you click Change to Fulfilled by Amazon, and it's going to say FBA right here, and then you can start shipping in inventory. To ship an inventory, simply you're going to press Send or Replenish Inventory, and then Amazon is going to give you a Amazon label. This Amazon label is for Amazon, so you're going to get your big box, put all of your items in a box, put the Amazon label on it, and on the Amazon label, it's going to have the address on where you're supposed to ship it. This is not a shipping label. This is an Amazon label. Now to get your shipping label, you're going to go to ups.com. And UPS, you're going to get that Amazon label. The Amazon label says where to ship it to in Australia. So you're going to get that, and you're going to get it from ups.com and get an actual shipping label. So now on your big box, you've got your Amazon label and you have your shipping label. Now you're pretty much good to go. You're going to hand it off to UPS, and then you're going to get that shipping label. It has a tracking barcode. You're going to get that tracking barcode from ups.com, and you're going to go into your shipments, inventory, and there's going to be a Manage FBA shipments, and you're going to give Amazon the tracking number. So once Amazon has that, they can track it as well with you. Once it arrives, Amazon's going to scan the Amazon label and they're going to be like, oh, that's you. And they're going to check in your inventory. Once it's checked in, it's going to be available for Amazon FBA and you can start selling. Something to note is Amazon Australia, they have a really good partnership right now. That is a free trade agreement. So it's very easy to send items from the USA to Australia, much easier than compared to Europe. So just keep that in mind that expanding to Australia isn't going to be too difficult. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you're planning to expand to Australia and why. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing your sales, anything mentioned in this video, or any help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in our description for more. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, call Amazon, help you expand to every single country Amazon offers, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end. Save time, save money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.